long farewell, it's hard to say goodbye. Woo!
Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to explore people life on board. Please watch the video until the end.
So hello guys, how are you?
Yeah, we're all right,
You all fine?
yeah, all good, man, yeah.
Enjoying the boat?
Yeah,
Yeah, definitely enjoyed the
How do
boat.
you like that?
yeah, it's all good, man.
It's nice on the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah?
We're all doing experiments on who can grow their hair the longest and the fastest. That's what we're trying to do. So
I won.
I'm losing.
no, wait a minute.
I'm losing in a minute. This is what happened, yeah. But
It's turned grey with.
but that's Boise.
Yeah?
Boise, cool Boise.
Pussy!
Yeah?
Hey, that is Boise. Hey, Boise's in the fun.
It's a nice name, isn't it?
He's a good boy.
Good boy, yeah.
So how been you here? How long?
10 years.
10 years?
10 years.
On boat?
Man and boy.
10 years on the boat?
5 years.
Oh yeah, 5 years.
7 years.
You been
About-
around here? or-
Never. No. Only for about the last 5 years.
Is it?
Yeah, that's it. No more.
Yeah.
Come here, quickly. Come on. Hey, look. Come on, YouTube, everywhere around the world. Seriously.
So explain about how every day is there. Is good or
Well, yeah, it's good, man, yeah.
Every day.
freedom? Who gonna cook for you?
No one. Who cooks for me?
Marks and Spencer's.
Marks and Spencer's.
Is it?
Yeah.
Gets a bit of Mark. Goes
Do
to,
you cook? Have you got a takeaway kitchen thing?
or the pipe makers. You know the pipe makers,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
pub. Yeah, get a takeaway from there.
So you don't cook anything here.
Yeah.
I don't cook nothing. No.
Sometimes. Roast potatoes, chicken.
Have you got a whistling
Yeah.
kettle? He's got a kettle that whistles.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want to make a cup of tea, he's
Excuse me, look, come and have a look. There's YouTube. You're not a superstar, are you? Publicity? Don't mind a bit of paparazzi,
Lulu.
no?
Hello, Lulu.
Lady, look. That's a lady.
It's a Lulu. Hey, Lulu's.
Well done, Maria. Anyway,
I don't want to play them.
Thank you.
go, thank you very much. Say goodbye, Russ.
Goodbye. Nice
Say
to meet
goodbye.
you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
See ya.
So long, farewell. It's hard to say goodbye. Woo!
Tell me about your life here.
Well, we've only just bought the boat. We had our last boat was down in Greece in the Med, and we had 2 years in the Med. And because of Brexit and COVID, we decided to come back to this country. So we've just bought this one, and we're going to go off and travel around the canal system in this country for a year or two.
So basically you come from Greece.
No, I was born in London, but we live in Somerset now.
Okay.
So we rent our house to be able to live on the boat. So we're just getting this ready to go off and travel around the country.
You travel all around the country.
Yeah, we'll be going that way,
Yeah.
and just see how far we go.
Okay. So
There's 2,000 miles
2,000 miles.
to travel,
So how long you been there?
all of the summer,
Oh dear.
and we'll go back home winter time probably.
So you have family with you? Everything.
Well, they're growing up, so no family here.
Are you enjoying here? Enjoying this kind of life?
Well, we haven't really started. We're only getting the boat ready to move on. We're still staying with a friend in Somerset during the week, and we're coming up weekends to get the boat ready to live on. So in about 2 weeks, then we go start travelling. When the lockdown finishes, we start moving.
It is a very nice life, isn't it?
Living on a boat is good, yeah. It was obviously in Greece we had nice sun, but
Okay. I hope you enjoy your life there.
yeah,
Thank you for talking with me.
okay.
Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.